Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to hide the taskbar on Windows 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the taskbar over here, and now go to an empty slot and right click on it. And you should be able to see here taskbar settings. So just simply select this one over here, and now from here, you just simply scroll down and you will have here automatically hide the taskbar. So from here, make sure this is enabled. As you can see, I am currently disabling this. And from here, the taskbar is showing. And when I enable this one, it will not show up. And now you can play full screen. And now when you go to your mouse and go to the bottom, the taskbar will automatically appear. But when you remove your mouse, it will automatically hide. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.